Right here we have shoulder, shoulder to waist, shoulder to underbust, shoulder to nipple, nipple to nipple, bust, waist. Right? So this paper is folded into two, and this is the closed part. So right here, the shoulder measurement is 15. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. So put 7.5 here. Now from there, we'll take shoulder to nipple, which is 11. Shoulder to nipple 11. Shoulder to underbust 15. Then shoulder to waist 17. Do same here. Arm cyc is 8.5. Shoulder to nipple 11, under bust and waist. So we join. Nipple, under bust and waist. This way. This arm cyc line. So just take the 7.5 we took here. Join the arm cyc. You don't have to bring your arm cyc line over this way. So the nipple to nipple measurement is 8, divided by 2 is 4. So on this nipple line, we'll take 4 inches. So from there, we'll take 4 inches round. After creating this circle, on this arm cyc line, you go up by 1 inch and connect it like this. So right here, you go down by 1 inch. Connect it. After connecting this 1 inch, you put your tape here, measure the same 1 inch, just connect it this way together with this 1 inch. I will show you what this 1 inch is for later. So right now, here you have to connect to this point, just like this. this 1 inch we took out from here, we'll replace it here. From here we'll connect to this place as well. This one we connect it to the arm side with a straight ruler. Just like this. Okay, so next thing, this 4 inches from bust to bust, we'll bring it here too and mark it out. Take it over here and mark it out. Then you connect together like this. So on this side we'll take 0.75 here, which is there. Then we'll take 1.25 here, which is there. We'll go down by 1 inch here, go up by 1 inch here. So this upper part, this part will take 0.5 here and we'll take 1 inch here. You don't use a straight ruler, so you can just use a ruler like this and give it this kind of curve. Another, just to differentiate. Curve it this way. You do the same here. Curve to this way. Curve to this way. So if you're cutting it this way. We're taking this to the waist part. Taking this line to the waistline like this. So we're cutting off this. We're cutting off all this. After that, we're taking our shoulder measurement. So we're taking 3 inches here, coming down by 3 inches. We'll remove 0.75 here. Then from there, we take half of what is remaining. On that line, come out by 0.5 this way. So connect. Like this. So right now, from shoulder to this slant here is 7.2. It's long enough. It's too up, I mean. So that was why we came down by 1 inch here. So right now, you have to determine how up you want your corset to be, whether you want it to up or down. Okay, so right now from shoulder to the corset line is the bust corset is 7 inches, so it's okay. But if you want it to come down more, You can go for 8 inches, and if you go for 8 inches, it should bring this one down as well. So now we're using this 7 inches. So the only thing is just to connect it. Let me use another curry and also this one. So just to connect it to the armhole like this. And bring it down just like sweetheart to the 1 inch. So if I'm cutting this, we'll have 1, 2, 3 corset lines. But if you want more than 3 corset lines, what you will do is just to come over here. Come over here and create a line. You can decide to do it this way or that way anyway, but I will do it this way. So let's join into this line here like this. Okay, so if you want to contour, you can just take 1.5 0.5 here to contour like this, just for a better snatching. So if you're cutting out all this, you're cutting them off. Forget to mark out your shoulder slant. This is what it will look like. Just add 0.5 inches while cutting on the fabric. Then at this part, this end part, you add 4 inches. I said 4 inches because when I folded this, I folded by 11 inches. Okay, that 11 inches, the bust is 40, which is 10 if you fold, while the waist is 9 if you fold. So right now, remember we removed 2 inches here, remove 2 inches from here, from the 11. So that means this 2 inches is gone. We are replacing it here plus 2 inches for joining. In order not to confuse yourself, what you will do is, if you have a bust of 40 like this one, if you're folding, you can just fold 15. Fold 15 and know that you're leaving the allowance as you're sketching or you're cutting. But if you want to do it this way, fine and good. Same. So this part is for the yoke. If you want to add net to what you're making, is this part. You add 0.5 all around here. 0.5. Click on the notification bell to know when I post another video, and subscribe is totally free. Subscription is free.